Yo, what is up? This is another trade recap. Today I made around 280 trading the Nasdaq this morning, and let's go ahead and go on the higher time frame here. So on the 1 hour, we open up around this area, right? I mean, this is pre-market, and then market open and displays lower. So what did it displace? We had a high time frame high right here, and we had a BPR as well as this SIBI that we rebalanced, and yeah, we went lower in this place. So I was overall bearish. I was looking at these lows to target, this hourly, and as well as this gap. So those were my targets for the day. Now going on the 1 minute. So as you can see, pre-market we inverted this gap and we displaced lower, right? We took out this internal with the inverse and displaced lower. We keep displacing, and then market open, still displacing right here, right? So I was kind of worried. I kind of want to get a rebalance, but I waited for market structure to happen and to find my entry. So around this area, I was getting kind of more of a bullish bias because we did sweep out this low, but we edged the other low as well as the gap. So I waited for a confirmation, and as we can see with the SIBI, we rebalanced and displaced lower, and we rebalanced and displaced lower. So right here, I was leaning more towards bullish. Bearish, especially after seeing this candle, right? This candle, we inverted this little one, and we disrespected the OB that we had an SMT with ES. I don't know if you can see this line, but that's an SMT. So, and oh yeah, we also had an SMT with this high because ES, I believe, rebalanced higher to go lower. So again, I was just very bearish. I saw many people today take this long, and they lost this trade. They had something like this below the displacement candle, and they lost, targeting all these highs, right? So the reason why I didn't take longs here, even though we did sweep the last low and the higher time frame, I mean the 1 hour gap, was just because the higher time frame was just bearish, and we displaced over 200 points since pre-market. Around 200 points since pre-market. So I wanted to see more bullish structure form, right? So let me bring out the arrows. Here we go. So I was looking more of a rebalance here to go higher. So if we would have gotten an entry to go long around here, I would have taken longs and target a 121, you know, stops below the swing low and target a 121 to the internal high. But that's what I wanted to take longs. But then we see price go higher up here. We did invert this gap, which I was leaning more towards longs. I can't lie to you guys, but I did want to see rebalance. So we take out these internals as well, and we display lower. So as soon as I saw this candle, I immediately knew that we were, the only rejection that we could get is from this OB, right? So I marked up the OB, and I didn't really target a 121. I did target a little bit of a negative RR just so I don't get retraced on. But yeah, overall it was a 121 around that area. I think it was a 0.9. So it was a tricky day. It for sure required a lot of patience to sit in your hands and wait for the perfect setup. But let's look forward for tomorrow. So I'll see you guys on tomorrow's trade recap.